Today we are organizing bike rally in Imphal crossing 7 Assembly constituency. This is in connection with the 81st birth anniversary of our beloved former Prime Minister Shri Rajiv Gandhi ji. So in fact, we are honoring the legacy of our former Prime Minister Shri Rajiv Gandhi ji, that he has the main vision, the vision that he has regarding the communal harmony and the national integration. In Manipur, we are facing a lot of violence since 3rd May 2023, and still we are in the problem. We are facing a lot of this communal violence in the state. So this is a big message to the people of Manipur to bring peace and restoration of normalcy in the state. We want permanent communal harmony. We want national integration. We want to live together. And for this, our Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee organizing a massive bike rally in the Imphal city today. Thank you all.